Buddy, it's okay. I've been meaning to fix this.
Ouch.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I said to you the other day the nail was sticking out.
I know.
Best day ever. Sometimes it just takes a fatal injury for you to do the housework, huh? Damn.
Welcome back to Portland, Oregon. We're back at Alberta Park. And we don't really have a plan today.
Kind of, yeah we do.
Oh, Beck's got a plan. But we're gonna start with hanging out with Trent and Allie and making some banana pancakes.
The plan is to go to 3 pools, I think it's called, and then go to the hot springs at night and just have a little date day. You and me, buddy. Reset. Date day. Date day. Date day, buddy.
Can I help you? Are we caked out?
Ooh, we're caked out.
Are you caked? Are you caked? Are you caked? Alright, I don't know what that was, but I think we're done.
We're caked.
There's no more cake. Should we get the minimum millennials on cleanup here? There's still like
6 cakes.
Yeah, call them up.
This isn't our vlog, but we're recording on it. Ah!
Eamon knows what he's doing in the kitchen. He didn't even have a recipe. He didn't measure anything.
It was
Delicious.
a freestyle Tuesday.
It was a freestyle Tuesday.
If you guys are not subscribed to these homies, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. They'll be linked up somewhere around here. Goodbye, Frank. I don't know if Frank was introduced to the vlog, but
Of course he was. We stole him.
he's a new friend of ours. Goodbye, Frank. Just gonna do up these dishes here, dry them up, then head to the grocery store.
We're pretty low on groceries, and we thought we would show you guys around what we pick up at the grocery store. Let's go.
Wait, you're missing the LaCroix.
LaCroix.
So we usually like to get this for breakfast, some kind of coconut or cashew yogurt. They only have the mini cups here, which is super annoying. This stuff here, 50% less sugar, 50% more calcium than dairy milk. Come on. Say what? How'd you get so good at picking out the crackers?
I don't know, I just have a knack for it, don't I?
Yeah.
Going Simply Salt. I really didn't like the last ones you've been buying. Can I pick it out? You've been going
Sure.
so sweet. Like I like
Yeah, I bought that
Albury.
last time. It was
Way.
so
I can tell
sweet.
from the box it's gonna be way too sweet.
Oh no. No, buddy, that has no flavor.
But it helps you put. Whoa, you get a free lip balm in this one. Wow. Marketer's delight. Nourish coconut,
coconut.
cranberry almond.
Let's try it.
And I get a lip balm?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be so pissed if there is no lip balm in this and they just.
Oh, it definitely is, but.
Wait, hold on.
Well, you're not gonna feel
I don't
it.
feel it.
Shake it.
You better be in there. I'm coming
Don't
for your
ruin the
special care.
clusters. What was your favorite cereal when you were a kid? Mine? Trix.
I think I liked Frosted Flakes a lot.
I was
I'm not-
super into Frosted Flakes as well.
Frosted Flakes?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, bomb. I was super into Corn Pops.
Oh, corn pop.
Corn Pop.
Corn pop.
Yeah. This is where Beck really shines in the fruit department.
First one.
Perfection of picking out fruit came from the times you used to work at the grocery store.
I mean, maybe. I know all the codes, so that's one thing.
Watermelon.
4032 is a big one, but it's different. It's like 3
Green
4
apple.
something. 4022.
Let us know if you're a cashier and that's correct.
It is. It's gotta be.
Banana.
4011.
Onion.
Oh, 4022 is green grapes, not green apple.
What's white onion, babe?
Oh,
wait.
It's been too long. 4165? 4165?
4163. Something else I think you guys might find interesting is we eat a lot of bell peppers, and then like once or twice a month, we'll be at the grocery store, look at each other at the same time, be like,
Can we get
I kind of
green
feel like
peppers?
green peppers. Isn't that insane?
We do. We're totally-
Literally, it's like our bodies are so synced up that it's like, I feel like a green pepper.
We are so in sync. We
It's
always
weird.
feel like the same thing, don't we? Did you get a green pepper?
I
I'm
did.
into that.
Yeah, good call.
I've also picked up, we do organic baby carrots because we find they taste like chemicals otherwise.
That's a huge point.
It's true. And potatoes, we're really into potato hash these days.
We also prefer organic celery for 2 reasons. Number 1, it doesn't taste as chemically, but number 2, it's usually smaller, and we can't really fit anything else in our fridge. What size is this onion?
Double D.
Bigger than yours, huh? Love you way, night and day. I wanna sing with you night and
Do you
day.
want crunchy or creamy?
Don't worry, didn't forget about you. $100 later. Buddy, you're not having a bowl of cereal right now.
No, I gotta see. I knew it. I didn't get a lip balm.
They got us, Bubs.
I'm right pissed. That's so mean.
That is mean. Well, that was grocery shopping with Eamon and Beck. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Just kidding. We are heading out to three pools. Three pools.
Why are you saying pools? It's pools.
Three pools.
They're pools.
It is reading 30 degrees. We'll see you when we're there. Right, Beck?
Unless you want to see me plucking a couple hairs
Out of me?
out of me.
Where?
I'm not telling.
Private parts.
Amen.
Stop vlogging.
Just before we get driving here, I was wondering if any of you guys have sing-along days. Eamon and I have. That's the kind of day we're having where we just like kind of sing all the day long, and when it comes to the song we know. See, I got stage fright. I've been really good all day, haven't I?
Yeah. Oh, pool, pool, we come, here we go. But first we're stopping at three pools, let's hit the road.
That's not bad. Listening to a few podcasts. I have a recommendation for a podcast if anyone's interested.
Ooh, what is it? Is it
Cheeky plug. Cheeky plug.
Is it a new one? Top 10? Top 10 on the charts of iTunes?
Yes. Okay, let's not miss.
Alright, we're getting cocky here.
No, but let's not misrepresent. It's top 10 in Canada and 28 in America.
On personal journals.
On personal journals. But hey.
Not podcasts of all podcasts.
No, not of all podcasts, but we're pretty stoked.
Yeah,
yes, guys,
awesome.
if
We
you haven't
posted last
already,
week, guys.
check out our podcast. It's called Reroute. It'll be linked in the description. And,
this place is 2 hours away, huh?
yeah, we're super stoked on all the support you guys have been giving us. I think it's worth it, babe. We gotta be by pools.
I know. Okay. Okay. This is the part of the vlog where usually we tell you some fun facts about three pools. Now it was established in 1974, and the name was changed 4 years later. But that's just not true.
We are not factual people.
You have to go to the washroom? This guy just did something so gnarly, I missed it, unfortunately, but I'll show you what he did. He jumped from that one to that one. That's sketch. I asked him if he'd do it again for the vlog, politely declined. Don't test your luck twice, I guess. That's the moral of the story. Now everybody else is going to the top, sussing it out. This guy's having a look, he's thinking about it. I don't think anyone else is gonna do it. All this exciting stuff happening, and I'm content, just hanging out on the sidelines filming. Guaranteed if I had another buddy here, another male figure, we'd be pushing each other to hit those harder. But I don't. I just got my lovely Beck starfishing in the corner. Just soaking it in.
Alrighty, Vegemite. We have cooled off at the Three Pools location, and we were instructed to head to Opal Creek from here. So we have no service. Might be a bit of a mission to try to figure out what that entails. If you don't know how to cut a watermelon like this, it means you're not watching Freestyle Fridays. That must mean you're crazy. While we don't have service and we don't really have a definite answer on where Opal Creek is, that's where we're headed. The question is, are we going back towards Portland? Or, I need your help, you gotta shut that off.
We figured out what our plan is. Beck is working on sending some invoices while we have signal. And then we are gonna venture in closer towards Bend, which we've heard some cool things about. It's a little town. about 3 hours away from Portland, an hour and 45 minutes away from where we are. Beck, am I telling them the correct information?
I think so.
Alright, so we got about an hour drive to a campsite where we're gonna crash, we're gonna get up early, upload this vidster, because today's Tuesday, and then explore our sister's, another little town that's outside of Bend, and just the Bend area. Bend it on, bro. It's like to bring it on, but bend it on. We hit a dead zone, so we had to loop back to a service reception area. Are we almost there?
Yeah, and our new friend from B&H says, caught up on your podcast, you guys are absolutely crushing it. Audio is great, combo is smooth, fun, and you two are spitting knowledge. Keep it up, guys.
Woo! Appreciate that, Mike. Okay, here we are at some random, it kind of feels like a campground, like there's these roads and like cutoffs and like maybe some trails. But this is what we think was on iOverlander. It's very quiet, there's no one else here. Probably going to, there's a river down there, so probably explore a little bit. Maybe start some dinner and spend the night here. I just want to let everybody know that my best buddy does take care of me as well. She's made a delicious stir fry with cashew nuts, Szechuan sauce, rice, veggies. Very, very spicy, very, very delicious. I'm sitting here editing the vlog that you're watching right now.
It appears as though I made this a little too spicy. We're both having heat sweats. We got Kleenex everywhere. It'll clean us out, right, buddy? Oh my gosh. Do I look like I'm sweating? Oh yeah, I do. I am.
I think it's delicious.
It's really, really good. I think I cooked everything perfect. It's just so spicy. If you're saying it's spicy, then it's pretty spicy.
It's hot.
Hope you guys enjoyed this reset day for us. I am so loving being in the woods. You can't hear anyone, anything. I don't know. Do you love it as much as me?
We had a good day. It was very relaxing. We needed it. We kind of just keep going, and just say yes to everything and then kind of crash. So
today was a crash day.
We were pretty tired. We didn't get everything we thought we'd get done, but sometimes you need to just take it easy. Remember, friends?
The harder you work, the harder you play.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Did you show them that beautiful sign? The harder you work, the harder you play. It's up alongside our Polaroids. Thanks, Amber. Thanks, Amber. Make sure you like, you subscribe.
Amber, you especially. You better like and subscribe.
You look so adorable right now.
Is that protein? Just kidding. I don't eat bugs, they're friends.
Bye.
Peace.